I had an old lady actually hit my other 1973 Mustang by running a stop sign. Today, this old lady wasn't paying attention and basically almost caused a head-on collision. I'm glad I reacted fast enough.
What the heck was that? Good luck, everybody.
My motto is, and always will be, record everything. The camera doesn't lie. Everybody needs a dash cam. I'm not just trying to sell something here. You can go buy them wherever. I just think you really need one because you don't need a he said, she said moment. Be safe out there. Please like and subscribe.